Hey everybody, this is Miss Mac coming at you with the book talk today. I just finished Then She Was Gone by Lisa Jewell. It's a young adult sort of thriller type book. It was a little longer than I thought. I listened to it, which I would highly recommend. The setting is in Britain, so the person who read the book, who narrated the book, spoke with a British accent, which I appreciated. Added a little bit to the experience. Um, the story centers on a family whose teenage daughter went missing and then they never found her. So it follows the story in multiple perspectives. So each chapter shifts to a different character, which is a common thing anymore. And the other thing that this story does that's very interesting is it shifts in time. So not only does the narrator shift, but it shifts from, they call it then and now. So you kind of go back and forth in time, the timeline of this girl's disappearance to what's happening now with the mother. And then we get to hear the various perspectives of different characters. I really enjoyed the story. It got to the point where I just couldn't wait to turn it back on and listen some more. So if you're one of those people that like thrillers, that like suspense, that like a good twist, this book is really up your alley. It reminded me a lot of Gone Girl. So if you liked that story, you would definitely like this one as well. Ask me for more details. See you soon.